In 1942, the Ford Motor Company stopped production of civilian cars to concentrate on building cars, planes, and tanks for the U.S. military. The Ford GT sounds brutal. This famous car has left a mark in history thanks to the 24 Hours of Le Mans in France. It has won prizes on 4 occasions to be exact. It is thanks to Henry Ford II that this magnificent creation was created.
Damn! Woo! Come on. Jetzt gibt er Gas, pass auf.
The Ford GT began life as a concept car, designed in anticipation of the automaker's centennial year as part of its drive to showcase and revive its heritage names such as Mustang and Thunderbird. The teardrop shape of the Ford GT is the result of extensive work in the wind tunnel. Its carbon body fiber and its 660 horsepower 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine are the ultimate expressions of technological innovation. The GT tire burnout is insane. Ford discontinued the GT after the 2006 model year. The hiatus continued until 2017, when Ford announced it would resume production of the GT, releasing 250 models per year. The Ford GT is a low-volume production supercar that's owned by a select few. Resale value for this type of car are high because demand outstrips supply. Like the Ferraris and Porsches, people will pay a premium for the status attached to these cars. Even Lamborghinis cannot compete with the Ford GT. Beside the mandatory airbags and brakes, the GTs don't have any other safety enhancing features. Although brakes on the GT cars are often bigger and better than ones you will find on other production Ford models. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.